Next feature beta, living beings grow. So in this we will discuss a term growth. What is growth? Increase in size of an organism is called growth. That is all also occur in unicellular and multicellular organism. Unicellular means organism means whose body is made up of single cell only, and multicellular whose body is made up of number of cells. Like unicellular bacteria, you can say bacteria, and multicellular animals, plants. Okay, so they often show growth in their lifetime. Next feature is beta, living beings have a definite lifespan. What is lifespan? Lifespan generally is a period of birth to death in which organism performs all activity from birth to death. Okay, another thing is here, the living organism show movements. Okay, that movements are of two types. First movement in which they only move their body parts. So this, if they move only body parts, like I am moving my hand, so this is a movement. Another term is locomotion, in which full body of organism is shift from one place to another place. Another feature of beta, living beings have a structure. All living organism, whether plant, animal, microorganism, they all have a body structure which is made up of tiny unit that is called cell. So what is cell? Cell is a structural unit of living organism. Then main thing come है कि who discovered cell? The Robert Hooke in 1665. The scientist Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered first time cell. And they also told about a single cell and multi-cell. Single cell organism is whose body made up of single cell, example amoeba, bacteria, and multicellular or multi-cell, example animal, plant, whose body made up of number of cells. So next in detail we will read these topics. Living beings have a definite lifespan. All living organisms are born, grow into dirt, then get old, then finally die. Thus all living beings have a lifespan of certain definite period. That is, each living organism live for certain definite period of time, and that duration of time by which living organism lives, that is called their lifespan. So different organisms have a different lifespan. No all organisms have equal lifespan. So average lifespan of some given below. But before that, what are stages occur during lifespan? Birth, then baby, then adult, then age, then death. Okay, and full out in this period they grow. Okay, and here you can see few animals lifespan, like a lion 20 to 25 years, horse 25 to 30 years, ostrich 45 to 50 years, human average age is 65 to 80 years. Okay, now one important thing कि all living things start their life from a single cell, which is zygote. In single cell organism like in amoeba, number of cell remain the same, means they start their life from one cell and also complete their lifespan with one cell. But in case of multicellular organism such as human, monkey, the cell increase in number due to cell division. We have done in previous page cell division. Next thing is living organisms show movement. Living organism move. Movement occur in their whole body and a certain part of body. We have discussed in chapter 8th movement, one chapter, these things, that locomotion and movement we have already discussed in previous chapters. The movement of organism bodily means full body from one place to another place is called locomotion, and the locomotion involves the whole body, like in walking, like in running, like in swimming, full body moves. But in case of movement, only change in position of any part of their body with respect to their axis is called movement. For example, when you agree or disagree with someone, you shake your head. This shaking of head is called your movement of your head. Okay, for a movement, energy and coordination between different organ system is required. All animals meet their energy requirement through nutrition and respiration. But this one part is not in your syllabus. Next thing is living things have structures. We have already discussed that living things have a cells. So all living things are made up of very small units called cells, And cell are the smallest structure and functional unit of life. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. All cells are generated from a single cell due to cell division, and during growth of the living organism, number of cell increase. And cell in any living organism are different shape, size, and perform different activities. Some examples are here. Some living organism consist of only single cell, and these are called single cell organism, like amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, examples of that. With this bit our chapter is finished.